is actually what it takes. But it took me 2 years because I didn't get the right knowledge. Yeah, man, that's what's up. Just like that, a new free course in the Discord. That's what's up, man. Yeah, and now I think I'm gonna hit that. Oh shit, what's up, man? I didn't see you there. Welcome to another video, bro. Another day in the life of a day trader, you know, something like that. I'm just here to show you the reality, as always. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hit the gym. I just finished up recording like one video. I'm gonna take my camera with me. I don't think I'm gonna record that much. I'm gonna record something, okay? And then after that, I'm gonna literally hop onto the call in the Discord, about to live trade. Yesterday I literally had one of my biggest days, $1.4 thousand. I'm not here to flex on you. I'm just here to show you that it works. It works. And I'm 17. Okay, it works. I'm just a regular guy, okay? And you can do it yourself as well. That's why I'm here to show you that it works. Motivate, innovate, and teach, okay? I'm at the gym now, and I'll update you in a minute. Yo, man, so I came home. Good leg training session at the gym. That was good, and now let's do the trading session. So I'm gonna start the live trading call really soon. It's currently 9:20 a.m. Eastern time, and the New York Stock Exchange will open in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna start the Discord call with my students. Yeah, man, let's see what's good. If you want to be a part of the team, then the link should be in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna start the call right now, and I'll update you. This is what we ended up with today with the team in the Discord. So I know this looks kind of weird, but the stop loss was below this order block right here, this range. This was a huge liquidity area. So once this got hit, it was a stops to break even. And as you can see, not big of a trade. It was purely calculated because this was an area that the price may switch its direction. We were in a beautiful uptrend. So no money lost today, but also no money made today. And this was just a break-even trade, and that's completely fine. One trade taken today, I will take this again and again. But normally, obviously, I don't like to have break-even areas this close. But this was an exception because this was a huge liquidity area. But I'm still really up on the week. Yesterday was $1.4 thousand. Insane. But, you know, break-evens are cool. They're not losses. They're not losses, but they're just, you know, sometimes they happen. So, man, you saw right there. That was, you know, a pretty calm trade, even though no money made today, no money lost today. But that's just me showing the reality, even though sometimes trading can be a little bit boring. You saw it right there. But that's just the main point. I'm showing the reality, okay? Yesterday, I made $1.4 thousand, like I told you. Okay, but, you know, this is the side things that most of these trading people on the internet do not want to tell you, do not want to show you. Because they want to make trading seem so too damn good, okay? Even it is good, it's super good, but they do not show the boring part of trading, okay? When there's not a trade nearby. And I'm chilling, okay? I went to the gym. I recorded like one YouTube video. Now I'm recording this video. I'm just fulfilling my goals, okay? And this is why I chose trading, because it literally takes like 1.5 hours of my day. So I can do a bunch of other stuff, okay? But the thing here is, every business model works. I know people who do trading. I know people who do drop shipping. I know people who do copywriting. Obviously not that many. But I also know people who code sites, like literally code sites and sell them, okay? Everything works. Also, I know people who do YouTube, okay? That's what I do nowadays as well. Like, I started day trading. I started to see a really good profit. I was like, okay, the industry of trading looks shit. There's not that many people who are profitable or legit. So I came in here to show you the reality, okay? Sometimes it is boring, okay? Today, one trade taken today, but it was like a break even. No money made today, no money lost today. Not that many trading people tell you that. Not that many people show you their losses. I show everything, and I show you what it takes. And I show you that my winners are always bigger than my losses. Always, okay? They must be, because that's how you become profitable, okay? Obviously, yes, here and there, you could risk a little bit more in this trade. You could risk a little bit less in this trade. But overall, your risk management should be intact, and you need to have a good risk-reward ratio. And if you don't know what is a risk ratio, it is just the ratio between your loss size, stop loss, stop limit, and your take profit. Simple as that. For the new people, I've been day trading for 3.5 years, okay? 3.5 years, I'm 17. And I do not regret 1 minute of me trading because now I'm profitable. Yeah, it took me 2 years of losing, but it's worth it. It was worth it. Obviously, now if I would have started earlier, like if I knew now start with the right knowledge, I think it would probably take like 6 months. 6 months. 6 months is actually what it takes. But it took me 2 years because I didn't get the right knowledge. And in the beginning, I wasn't that serious. Once I actually started to wake up every single day to trade Forex, London and New York session, that's when everything started to click because I started to build that market intuition. Nowadays, I don't trade Forex, but Forex is also good, really good. Gold, commodities, that's good. Crypto, I used to do that as well. I used to actually day trade crypto for not that long, couple of months when I actually started day trading. Quick fact. Nowadays I trade stock indices. If you think about trading, if you're thinking, should you start trading? Absolutely. Absolutely. No joke. Sure, you can start YouTube. You can start dropshipping. But whatever you do, man, you gotta do it 100%. But do not do day trading today and, then you'll do the dropshipping and then, you're trying to do some copywriting. Focus on one. Master that. Actually master it. Then, once you know it fully, you can then start to develop some other skills, like in business-wise, such as maybe on the side you can do a little bit dropshipping. Maybe you can record videos like me. Like you see me, I've mastered trading. I've mastered trading for 1.5 years. I didn't see anything. I was like, okay, I'm making money, but I'm not doing anything to this society. Nobody is actually benefiting from me making money. You feel what I mean? So I felt I was making money, but I kind of felt empty. That's why I started this movement. I opened the free Discord to teach people. If you want to join for free, it should be the first link in the description. Okay? And I've seen a ton of progress from my students. But that's why I started this movement, this YouTube channel, to motivate, innovate, educate, change people's lives, because trading changed mine. Okay? I understand. If you're not in the point in your life where you should start trading, then think about it twice. But I'm always here to bring the reality. And that's a chill ass day, man. Chill ass day so far. It's only Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Let's have a great day. I'll be live trading at 9:20 a.m. Asian time as usual, always in the Discord. But now I'll go outside. I'll update you in a minute. Alright, man, so I came home and took my dog out. And, I go live. It was a calm day. And these are just the vlogs of me showing the reality of a day trader, okay? I'm a young day trader. And I don't gotta show you my highlights like all the freaking gurus. Think about it, bro. These gurus, they only show you their highlights. They only show their wins. But they don't show you the grind. They don't show you sometimes the boring part of trading, when I take a trade and it ended up being a break even. For example, today, but break evens are not bad. Not bad at all. They happen. They do happen. And I'm talking like break even one trade. But yeah, they didn't lose money, didn't win money today. But yesterday, super good. But yeah, man, tomorrow is Friday. Let's get it popping. All right. Okay, and if you made it this far, comment down below value. That's the way I know you made it this far. Yeah, man, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.